So what is up guys, Medical Mishra here and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to discuss about the news which I saw in the morning, that was about the next exam which we have to clear within the 2 years after completing our degree. तो इसमें मेन 3 रूल्स थे आज के नोटिफिकेशन में जो मैंने सवेरे देखे, बट थर्ड रूल वाज द मेन बिकॉज उसके अंदर था कि जो भी फॉरेन में MBBS और मेडिसिन MD कर रहे हैं बच्चे, उनको वापस आने के बाद लाइक आफ्टर दे विल फिनिश देयर डिग्री एंड व्हेन दे हैव टू राइट एग्जाम लाइक स्क्रीनिंग एग्जाम, जो भी मेडिकल स्टूडेंट्स इंडिया आ रहे हैं लाइक इंडिया जाएंगे वापस, तो उनको MCI के थ्रू एक स्क्रीनिंग टेस्ट देना पड़ता था, दैट वाज FMGE, बट आफ्टर NMC केम इट वाज नेक्स्ट. सो FMGE इस बार लास्ट टाइम होगा, आफ्टर दैट नेक्स्ट विल कंटिन्यू. सो NMC has give some draft of the regulations for the next exam, like statement उसमें like 3 स्टेटमेंट हैं. तो पहली तो अपने काम की नहीं है बिकॉज वी केम टू अब्रॉड फॉर मेडिसिन. थर्ड न्यूज़ जो थी वो मेन है, जिसमें लिखा हुआ है कि जब हमारी डिग्री पूरी हो जाती है उसके 2 साल के अंदर हमें नेक्स्ट या FMGE निकालना मीन्स वी हैव टू क्रैक द एग्जाम विद इन 2 years. So basic thing was like FMG is going by this year, so next will remain. So next will be like officially the screening test for MBBS students, those who are studying abroad or as well in India. I don't know the reason why only for the FMGs, but according to how it was mentioned in that draft of the regulation, because right now it's just a draft which is not implemented yet, which was mentioned in the draft. And the good thing is that rules of that draft is not implemented yet, as there is no gazette order passed yet. तो अभी उसका गैजेट ऑर्डर पास नहीं हुआ तो रूल्स भी इम्प्लीमेंट नहीं हुआ है. इट्स जस्ट अ ड्राफ्ट राइट नाउ. लाइक ये रूल्स इम्प्लीमेंट हो सकते हैं, तो दैट्स द बेसिक थिंग, बिकॉज सम पीपल आर थिंक लाइक next has got issued their guidelines or draft, so this will happen and this will implement. It's not like that. Now they have proposed some rules like these must be the regulations of the next additionally. सो अभी गैजेट ऑर्डर आएगा तो उसमें भी कुछ चेंजेस होंगे डिस्कशन करने के बाद, क्योंकि पूरी नेक्स्ट का पैनल जो भी बैठेगा मेडिकल डॉक्टर्स का और इंडियन मेडिकल एसोसिएशन का, तो उसके बाद जो फाइनल ऑर्डर आएगा वी हैव टू वेट फॉर दैट. And the second thing mentioned in that regulation was the preclinical and the paraclinical subjects. Like preclinical includes like basic year subjects, so anatomy, biochemistry. So these were the preclinical subjects, and the paraclinical subjects includes the radiology, physical diagnosis or forensic medicine, etc. So these will be additional for us, like we will have additional exam for them also. So this is how the rule I saw in the morning, and right now I'm making video on that. And for those who want to read that full regulation, I'll mention the link in the description. That's why I'm wearing cap for some reason. So next video will be late, or I don't know if I found some good ideas, so I'll be posting whether I am bald. So stay tuned guys. And the second thing, stay home, stay safe, and try to avoid going out as much as you can, because corona is increasing day by day, and which is a very serious issue, and even everyone knows the situation like is getting worse day by day. So stay home, stay safe, and I hope guys will like this video, and please do watch, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Peace until next time.